friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to introduce you to a bunch of car and desk mounts for your smartphone. So if you're looking for a good smartphone holder for your car, then this video should be good enough for you, because we are going to introduce you to a couple of interesting smartphone holders for your car from Zaap technology. So Zaap, we have already covered a couple of interesting products from Zaap on this channel, including Bluetooth speakers. So today we're going to introduce you to some of the mounts for your smartphone for your car. So we have three of them included. So the first one is Magnetic Touch 2, that's car and desk mount. This is a universal smart compact mount. It's a Magneto series with a 360 degree rotation possible, and here you can see that it has a vacuum a suction cup basically, but it also comes with sticky gel for the suction cup, which gives more strength to the suction cup. And you can see that it can mount on your car dashboard, windshield, and also desk. And this has magnetic mechanism in the sense that one part of the magnetic mechanism has to be provided, or rather stick to the smartphone, and when the smartphone comes in contact with this, it attaches magnetically. So that's how this works. So this is one of the car mount available. So this is again from Zaap Technologies, and we'll come back to that later. We'll show you in depth of that mount. Then the other one is the car AC vent mount. So if you want an easy to use car mount which can be attached to the air vent on your car, this is the best option. So this again has a really good mechanism. You can see that this perfectly fits to the air vent, and again this also has 360 degree rotation possible, and this has click, lock, and release. We'll just demo that all these mounts separately. So it fits smartphones from 2.4 inches to 3.4 inches in size, and you can see that it has quite good mechanism as well. So we'll demo that again. So that's another mount from Zaap. And finally we also have another useful mount. This is Quick Touch 1 mount, and this is probably the biggest mount available, I mean in terms of size. So you can see that it has quick release lock, and two-way locking is there. You can also extend the arm by 2 inches for closer view, and 180 degree rotation for height adjustment is there. So it again fits almost all the smartphones available. So two smaller smartphone as well as larger smartphones can be fit here. So you can see that this has a extendable arm as well. So that's again, this also comes with the sticky gel pad, which also has the suction cup as well as sticky gel pad. So this is again you can reuse the sticky gel pad, just by rinsing it with water and cleaning it, and drying it makes this sticky gel once again compatible again if you want to reuse it somewhere else. So now we'll demo all these three options one by one. So first let's have a look at the magnetic mount. So this is the magnetic mount with 360 degree rotation, and this has a strong magnetic field here. And this is the suction mount. Along with that, it also comes with the sticky gel, so you can use this on your desk as well. So what the box pack comes with, you can also see a a metal strip included. A couple of pieces are included. One is inside the case you can use, and once you use this case, you can just tap on this, and you can see how strong the magnet is. So you can see here it doesn't fall out. So this is how this magnetic mount works. It's really strong and doesn't fall out of your the case. So this gives a great magnetic mechanism. So you can see here it sticks perfectly. So that's the magnetic mount. If you are using inside the car, you can stick this to the dash or the windshield, and use this metal strip on the back side of the phone to attach this to the mount. So that's the Zaap magnetic mount. So the second one is the Aircon mount for smartphone. So you can see that this is the Aircon mount, and you can see that once you press this, you can insert this to the Aircon vent. So we'll just show you that, and it also has this mechanism to tighten it. So we'll just demo this. So just press this and push it into the Aircon vent. Now it fits in properly. You can see that it fits in properly, and you can also tighten with this screw available. And once you tighten it and made into position, what you can do is you can see that there are two legs available. Just push it inside, and this will extend the arm, and there is also a button to release the extension. So you can see if you press here, it will get it packed here. So this is how you push it. And the good aspect is that when you keep the smartphone and push it with the smartphone, it locks it. So we'll just show you that. So there you go. Now we have just logged it. So that's how it works, and it works pretty well in terms of the holding the smartphone. It doesn't fall out, and it works quite well. So that's the second mount, and you can, when you want to release this, just press here and it releases. And once you keep the smartphone, just push the smartphone, push the button rather with the smartphone, and it locks it. So this pretty useful mount available if you're looking to mount your smartphone on the Aircon vent. So that's another product from Zaap. Now the third mount is Zaap's extendable one. This is a full-fledged mount, and you can use this on your windshield as well as your dashboard as well. So this again has the same mechanism wherein you just press these two legs and it extends the arm. And when you keep the smartphone, you just press this button using the smartphone and it locks it. So there you go, it locks it. So that's how the mount works, and when you want to release it, just press here and it releases. So this is a really good mount in terms of the flexibility, and you can also see there is a mechanism to hold the smartphone at the bottom section, and you can move this slider again. So this is how it works. So we'll just demo it once again. Just push it here and keep the smartphone and push it, and it locks up the car mount. So that's one of the useful option. And you can also you can see that there is a screw mechanism here wherein you can move this band up and down, and this also has this 360-degree rotation possible. So in all angles you can keep the smartphone. That's another useful feature if you want to view the maps, and if you wanted to watch movies when you are not driving. So that also can be done with this. And another useful feature is that there is another screw mechanism here. You can see here, this is another screw. So once you loosen this screw, we'll just show you, you can extend the arm as well. So there you go. So you can just extend it a bit more and then tighten it. So that's another useful feature. You can extend it to anywhere near your driving position. So that's the another third one, which is again a really useful car mount, probably one of the best we have used so far, and it has a lot of features included, and easy to docking mechanism is probably one of the great features. So those are the three car mounts from Zaap Technologies. So the magnetic mount, the quick touch 1 mount, and easy vent 2 mount. So all the three mounts are available on Amazon. So the quick touch 1 mount, which is the extendable one, is priced 1,400 rupees, and the easy vent 2 is priced 1,200, and the magnetic one is priced 1,300 in India. So all these mounts can be purchased from Amazon India. So we are sharing the link in the description of this video in case you plan to buy this vent. So this is definitely one of the good products from Zaap. If you're looking for a good quality car mount for your smartphone, then we highly recommend these products. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.